What's up, guys? Welcome back to another update video. Thinking a little bit different today. I'm sitting in the office because I've been working and realized today is 14 days post-op. So I wanted to make a quick video kind of documenting some things. The home health nurse came today, took off one of the dressings. So that's good. One less thing stuck to my leg. Everything looks good. Seems to be doing well. I have another week before I go back to the doctor, but everything looking okay. I'm getting around all right. A little bit sore today, not terrible. Been doing my exercises, the machine, red light, and what else? Icing, doing all the things. Pain meds have been minimal. Haven't taken any pain meds today, which is awesome. So I'm digging that. But yeah, funny thing, we were looking at my leg last night, and I think it might be straighter than it was before, which is interesting. So over the years, I've noticed I've had a little bit of a bow leg, if you will, on both legs. And it seems like I used to run quite a bit. So I think that's part of why I have knee issues. I used to run quite a bit of distance. And I've noticed I haven't ran in probably the last year, at least year and a half even. But before that, probably, last couple of years, I've noticed my gait is a little bit different. Noticed more of the bow-leggedness, which I don't know, not maybe age or just how it was, or it's always been that way and I didn't notice. I don't know. But it's interesting. My left leg, where I had the surgery, the replacement, is definitely straighter. So I can still see it on the right side. I've still got a little bit of the bow, and then the left, obviously. So interesting. I don't know if I'll do the other one at some point. I know it needs to be done as well. We'll have to see how this goes. I've got other plans, other things. I want to get back in shape, kind of get back into a normal routine. I miss going to the gym, working out. So hopefully I'll get that back. Trying to be patient, do all these exercises, kind of get myself back into a good spot so I can start lifting again. Diet has been good. Been trying to stick to my somewhat of a diet plan, whole foods, kind of watching how much I eat, not taking in too much, not too many carbs. It's been good though. Trying to think if there's anything else. Protein every day, at least one protein shake. I'm on probably day 5 or 6 of tracking macros in MyFitnessPal, which is good. I go off and on with whether I like that or not, but I've been tracking. I'm getting about a gram of protein per body weight, at least the last 5 or 6 days that I've been tracking. So that's awesome. So like I say, at least one shake a day. Sometimes it's not the good Evogen nutrition that I like. Sometimes I'll go for a ready-made drink. At least I'm getting it in. I think that helps with the healing and kind of moving things along, getting in the right direction. So bruising is still there. It's gotten a lot better though. Maybe tomorrow will be a good update for that. Show some updates on bruising. But okay, yeah, I think that's it for 2 weeks out. So I don't know. I'm digging the updates. I like keeping up with things. Hopefully you guys are too. Beard's coming in. Pretty gray. I don't know how long that'll stay, but yeah, not too bad so far. Anyway, see you on the next one.